Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is the 2016 Chevy Colorado LT Extended Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z8356A. Only 21,000 miles on this Colorado. It's a one-owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold it brand new, cyber gray metallic in color. You do receive our exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 4, cloth interior, rear sliding window for extra ventilation, as well as rear defrost for excellent visibility. Soft roll-up tonneau cover, along with locking tailgate, backup camera, and trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Extended cab doors on both sides of the truck, of course. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. Large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, advanced safety features like forward collision alert, controlled on the steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. Can also sync smartphones, Pandora radio app, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate, heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those media devices, automatic transmission, manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's material inside. Under the hood, this Colorado has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 305 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles per gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Colorado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.